My name is Gillian Doyle. I'm the Programme Director for the MSc in Media Management, and it's my pleasure to introduce you to the programme. The MSc in Glasgow sits within the School of Culture and Creative Arts, and it's taught by staff from the Centre for Cultural Policy Research within a subject area called Cultural Industries. Now, media is an exciting area to study today because of the dynamism of the sector and because of its socio-cultural and its economic importance. So a key aim on this master's programme is to help develop in you the right sort of competencies and knowledge to analyse and address and to operate and manage effectively in key sectors, in particular television, news media, magazine publishing and film, plus digital. During your time at Glasgow, we'll aim to hone your skills in analysis of these sectors in terms of their economics, the policy environment, and the emerging digital context. You can look forward to a lively mix of lectures and seminars with academic staff, many of whom are leading experts in their fields, and also presentations from media industry practitioners and leaders are a regular feature. There are many good reasons to study media management at Glasgow. Your course is based within a highly rated research centre whose work on media helps to inform the teaching that we do. The expertise of our staff and also our strong focus on industry are great reasons for studying media management here. And the city of Glasgow, with its very lively media, arts and music scenes, is an ideal place for master's studies. So I hope that gives you a better sense of what to expect when you come to study in Glasgow. If you have any queries, you're welcome to get in touch. And otherwise, I look forward to seeing you in September.